In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a 2x2 picture in Canva. If you've ever found yourself needing a perfectly square image with dimensions in inches, you're in the right place. We'll be using Canva, a fantastic and user-friendly online design tool, popular for its versatility and ease of use. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, navigate to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, look for the Create a Design button. This is your gateway to starting any new project on Canva. Within that section, you'll find an option for Custom Size. This feature is essential as it allows you to set specific dimensions for your design, in this case, the precise 2" by 2" format that you need. Finding and using the Custom Size tool is crucial for creating a design that meets your exact specifications. Now let's talk about the units of measurement. When you open the Custom Size feature, you might notice that the default setting is in pixels. That's why it's important to change the unit from pixels to inches. To do this, simply click on the PX drop-down list and select inches instead. This step is vital, as it ensures your canvas will be the correct physical size, particularly if you're planning to print it later on. Converting the units correctly will help you achieve the accurate dimension you're aiming for. Once you've switched to inches, it's time to input your desired dimensions. Go ahead and type the number 2 in both the width and height boxes. This will set your blank canvas to a perfect 2" by 2" square. Being precise at this stage is important, especially if your image is intended for official documents or specific requirements that demand strict sizing. Precision now saves headaches later. After you've entered those dimensions, you'll see a button labeled Create New Design. Click on that, and Canva will bring up a new blank canvas sized exactly to your specifications. This is where the fun begins. With your custom-sized canvas ready, you can start adding the elements that will bring your project to life. Whether it's inserting photos, adding text, or playing with colors and backgrounds, this is your creative playground. Remember, setting the correct size and units was crucial because these initial steps dictate the outcome of your final design. Having set the foundation correctly, you can now proceed confidently, knowing your final piece will meet its intended purpose, whether it's for personal projects or professional work. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to create a 2x2 picture in Canva. Whether you're crafting passport photos, tiny prints, or other specific designs, knowing how to adjust dimensions and units in Canva is an essential skill in your design toolkit. Don't forget to utilize Canva's extensive features to further enhance your creations and let your creativity shine. That wraps up our tutorial today. I hope you found this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more informative design tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing!